Hi students, today we are discussing about the topic coordinate system 3D geometry. The basic key concepts are: if a of x1 comma y1 comma z1, b of x2 comma y2 comma z2 are two points in the plane, then AB equal to root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square plus z2 minus z1 whole square. Based on this concept, the distance between the origin to a point a of x comma y comma z is root of x square plus y square plus z square. Next, second point, the point which divides the line segment joining the points a of x1 comma y1 comma z1, b of x2 comma y2 comma z2 in the ratio L is to M. Internally is Lx2 plus mx1 by L plus M, Ly2 plus My1 by L plus M, Lz2 plus Mz1 by L plus M. Externally is Lx2 minus mx1 by L minus M, Ly2 minus My1 by L minus M, Lz2 minus Mz1 by L minus M. Next, the point P of x comma y comma z divides AB bar in the ratio. The points AB line divided by P of x comma y comma z is in the ratio is x1 minus x is to x minus x2 or y1 minus y is to y minus y2 or z1 minus z is to z minus z2. In this concept also we include if three points a comma b comma c are collinear, then same as this x1 minus x3 is to x3 minus, if c lies in between the a and b, x1 minus x3 is to x3 minus x2 is equal to y1 minus y3 is to y3 minus y2, that is equal to z1 minus z3 is to z3 minus z. Next, xy plane divides a by the ratio minus z1 is to z2. Y plane divides the a by the ratio minus x1 is to x2. Zx plane divides minus y1 is to y2 ratio. Next, the midpoint of a x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2, and z1 plus z2 by 2. Next, the centroid of a triangle having the vertices a of x1 comma y1 comma z1, b of x2 comma y2 comma z2, c of x3 comma y3 comma z3 is x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3, z1 plus z2 plus z3 by 3. Finally, the centroid of the tetrahedron is x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4 by 4, y1 plus y2 plus y3 plus y4 by 4, z1 plus z2 plus z3 plus z4. Some more tips and tricks discussing with the problems. First problem, the distance from 7 comma minus 8 comma 15 from x axis is the distance from a point P of x comma y comma z from x axis is root of y square plus z square. So value is root of 8 square plus 15 square minus 8 square plus 15 square, root of 64 plus 225, root 218, that is equal to 70. Next, the distance from minus y comma 2 comma 12 to y axis is root of minus y square plus 12 square. This is equal to 25 plus 144, root 169, that is equal to 30. Next, distance from minus 3 comma 4 comma 5 to z axis, root of x square plus y square minus 3 square plus 4 square, that is equal to root 25, that is equal to 5. Next, the triangle formed by the 3 points First question. AB equal to distance between these 2 points root of 2 minus 1 whole square 1 square 3 minus 2 whole square 1 square 1 minus 3 whole square minus 2 square that equal to 4. So 1 plus 1 plus 4 root 6. BC equal to the distance between the 2 points root of 3 minus 2 whole square 1 1 minus 3 whole square 4 2 minus 1 whole square 1. This is also root 6. Next AC, this is equal to 3 minus 1 whole square 4 1 minus 2 whole square 1 2 minus 3 whole square 1. This is equal to root 6. Here AB equal to BC equal to AC. So this is a equilateral triangle. Next, similarly, we find the values of AB, BC, CA. We get the 3 vertices forms which triangle, that is AB equal to BC equal to CA. Then it is an equilateral triangle. AB equal to BC or AC equal to BC or AB equal to AC. Any two sides are equal, it is an isosceles triangle. Sum of the squares of two sides is equal to the square of other side. There is a right angle triangle. The both conditions are, that means if it is isosceles and also right angle, then it is a right angle isosceles triangle. Next, third question. The type of a quadrilateral which is formed by these 4 points. Here also, first of all, AB equal to root of 5 minus 3 whole square 4 6 minus 2 whole square 4 square that is equal to 16 5 minus 1 whole square that is also equal to 30. Total that is equal to 6. BC equal to root of 2 minus 1 whole square 9 1 minus 6 whole square 25 2 minus 1 whole square 9. This is equal to 25 plus 8. Next, CD equal to root of 0 minus 2 whole square that is equal to 4 minus 3 minus 1 whole square that is equal to 16 minus 2 minus 2 whole square that is equal to 16 root that is 6 that is equal to 6. Next, A root of 0 minus 3 whole square that is equal to 9 minus 3 minus 2 whole square 25 minus 2 minus 1 whole square that is equal to 9 root 40. Here AB equal to CD and also BC equal to A. Opposite sides are equal. Then it is either parallelogram or rectangle. Next we check the diagonals. AC equal to 2 minus 3 whole square 1 1 minus 2 whole square 1 2 minus 1 whole square root 3. BD equal to root of 25 plus 81 plus 40. So AC not equal to BD, so it is a parallel. Next we take it is a rhombus. Try to check and compare the solutions. Next, the center of a triangle formed by 2 comma minus 3 comma 1 5 comma 6 comma 3 2 comma minus 3 comma 1 is, we know the formula center of a triangle x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3 y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3 z1 plus z2 plus z3 by 3. So plus 6 plus minus 3. 1 plus 3 plus 1. 3 comma 0 comma 5. Next. Circumcenter of the triangle formed by 1 comma 2 comma 3, 2 comma 3 comma 1, 3 comma 1 comma 2 is. First of all, we check AB equal to distance between the 2 points. Root of previously we checked these 3 points. Distances AB equal to 1 plus 4 that equal to root 6. BC equal to root of 1 plus 4 plus 1 that equal to root 6. AC equal to root of 4 plus 1 plus 1 that equal to root 6. So the distance between the 3 points AB and BC and AC, the length of 3 sides is equal to root 6. AB equal to BC equal to AC. So the three vertices forms an equilateral triangle. In equilateral triangle, we know that centroid equal to circumcenter. So circumcenter is equal to centroid, that is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3, 6 by 3. 2 plus 3 plus 1, 6 by 3. 3 plus 1 plus 2, 6 by 3. That is equal to 2 comma 2 comma. Next. All those center of the triangle formed by 2 comma 1 comma 5, 3 comma 2 comma 3 and 4 comma 0 comma 4. Here also we check first of all AB equal to length of the side AB is equal to root of 3 minus 2 whole square 1, 2 minus 1 whole square 1, 3 minus 1 whole square that equal to 4, root 6. BC equal to 4 minus 3 whole square 1, 0 minus 2 whole square 4, 4 minus 3 whole square that equal to 1, root 6. Next AC equal to root of 4 minus 2 whole square 4, 0 minus 1 whole square 1, 4 minus 3 whole square that equal to 1. This is also root 6. Here also the length of the sides AB equal to BC equal to AC is equal to root 6. So it forms the three vertices forms an equilateral triangle. In equilateral triangle, orthocenter is also equal to centroid. So it is 2 plus 3 plus 4. 9 by 2. 1 plus 2 plus 0. 3 by 3. 5 plus 3 plus 4. 3 comma 1. Next, inside of the triangle formed by 0 comma 0 comma 0, 3 comma 0 comma 0, 0 comma 4 comma 0 is. First of all, length of AB equal to square root of 9 that equal to 3. Length of BC equal to root of 9 plus 16 that equal to 5. Length of BC equal to root of 16 that equal to 4. AB equal to C, BC equal to A, AC equal to B. We know the formula of eccentric. Eccentric equal to AX1 comma a z1 plus b z2 plus c z3 by a plus b plus c.